Hi, Jason Goodall, GQue Barbecue. We're gonna get golden brown, crispy Maillard reaction beef. We're gonna stack that with American cheese, then ground beef, then American cheese. It's simple, delicious, and you're gonna love it. If you wanna see how we do it, it's coming up right now. Here at GQue Barbecue, we are all about that grilling and chilling lifestyle. If that's something that interests you, smash down that subscription button and hit that bell notification, and you won't miss any of our videos. So to get this Smashburger going, it's gonna be a very fast cook, maybe 2.5 minutes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make a garlic butter for the buns, and we're also gonna brush that on the burger to amp up the flavor. I'm gonna start by taking ground beef. You can see this ground beef has a lot of marbling in it. A lot of the people will tell you go 80-20. I say go 70-30. If you can find 70-30 ground beef, do it, because fat is where it's at. That is where all the flavor is, and you want to get as much fat as possible into your ground beef. I'm a huge fan of Smashburgers. I love the flavor that you get by developing that beautiful crust on the meat that you can't get when you're cooking on the grill. You miss out on that grill flavor, but because the burgers cook in all that fat, you get kind of a beef confit. So you get a really strong beef flavor to go along with that excellent crispy crust that you can't duplicate cooking on a grill. So I'm rolling these patties into 3-ounce meatballs. And we're gonna use a spatula, smash down these burgers on the griddle to get a good, beautiful golden brown crust. Now, it's very important when making your meatballs to not ball them up super tight. So the first thing I wanna do is make a garlic butter. I'm gonna do that by putting down a 1/4 stick of butter over here on the cool side of the Blackstone. I got these 3 dials cranked all the way up to high. This one is not even turned on. So we're gonna melt some butter with a little bit of garlic to create some garlic butter. That beautiful brown butter is intensifying the garlic flavor. It's gonna make for an excellent brush on to season up and flavor our buns as well as our burgers. Now that we got our garlic butter, let's go ahead and crank up the heat. So we wanna get that griddle screaming. Ahoo! Because this cook is gonna be so quick, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna do my buns first. Here at GQue Barbecue, I'm always looking to tickle those taste buds. And I can put the buns right down on the griddle and they'd be great by giving them a nice coat of that garlic butter. It takes it over the top. What I'm hoping to hear is a sizzle when I put these meatballs down on the griddle, and that's exactly what I got. Look at that smoke coming off there. We're gonna get a beautiful crust on these patties. I'm pushing down as far as I can so I can develop as much crust as possible. I'm seasoning with 1/3 kosher salt, 1/3 GQue barbecue rub, or 1/3 coarse ground black pepper. Just the way I like it. I like to chase it with a little bit of a pickle. That right there, that bite, that is how you do Smashburgers. Jason Goodall, GQue Barbecue, and I'll see you on the next one.